Hi everyone, Dr. Susan Brown with Alkaline for Life. Here at Alkaline for Life, we want to help you develop ideal pH balance. Having an ideal pH balance in your chemistry is going to help you stay stronger longer. That's our goal here at Alkaline for Life. Today we're really fortunate to have with us a wonderful natural food chef, Lisa Portnoff. Lisa actually has come up from New York City. She's now working in Central New York. And she is going to show you how to make a wonderful dish. In fact, Lisa has already prepared seven, that is, wonderful dishes for us, including everything from chia seed pudding to how to do a special lentil soup. Today, she's going to make a recipe that is a very alkalizing and very wholesome. Lisa, what do you call this recipe you're making today?
This is roast autumn vegetables with black rice and kale.
All right, so we're going to show you quickly how to make this meal. How long do you think it'll take to put it together?
It takes about 15 minutes, 20 minutes to put the whole thing together. You just throw it all in the oven and roast it, and you're good to go.
So it's real simple, it's quick, very alkalizing. Watch a few minutes, learn how to do it. Let us know how you like it. In the meantime, I'm going to grab the pumpkin cookies that Lisa made us. I'm going to sneak them out of here, and I'll see you all back when it's time for dessert.
This is a great recipe. It's autumn roasted vegetables with black rice and kale, and it's great because it's really easy and it has a lot of different vegetables from all the different vegetable groups. We've got greens in the kale, we've got onions and leeks, which are alliums, we've got sweet potatoes and parsnips, which are tubers, and they all have their unique nutritional properties and they're all highly alkalizing. So to start, we have red onions, and red onions are very high in potassium, which is really important to alkalizing the body, and it also contains sulfur. And we're just going to dump these right onto the sheet pan. Then we have sweet potatoes, which are high in vitamin A, vitamin C, very high in fiber, and they are also highly alkalizing, and they go right onto the sheet pan. Then we have leeks. Leeks are alliums, and that's in the onion family, and they are high in vitamin K, which helps with metabolizing vitamin D, which in turn helps to improve bone health, which is what we're going after. They're also high in folate, and they also are cardioprotective. All onions, garlic, shallots, leeks are all cardioprotective, so that's an added bonus right onto the sheet pan. Now we have parsnips. Parsnips are root vegetables. In case you don't know what a parsnip is, it's similar to a carrot, but it's white. This is a little guy, they're usually not that small, but this is what a parsnip looks like. And they get peeled and roasted, and they're delicious and sort of sweet, and they go right onto the sheet pan. Then we've got Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are cruciferous vegetables, so they're in the broccoli family along with cauliflower and cabbages. And these are very high in vitamin C, really high in fiber, and these are cancer protective as well. All the cruciferous vegetables are cancer protective. And they go, whoops, onto the sheet pan. Now, all we do is take some olive oil, drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil onto the mix here. And we will season with some sea salt. Sea salt is pink typically, or it can be white, but sea salt is very high in minerals, which are highly alkalizing. So that's why we use sea salt rather than table salt. So I've got, maybe like a little teaspoon, and that goes on there. You can add more now or later, as you like. A little tiny bit of black pepper, just a little. And some paprika. Paprika is also an alkalizing spice, and that'll give it a little bit of roasty flavor and color. And that's about maybe ½ teaspoon. So these are on the sheet pan. We're going to mix these all up. And you can do this in a bowl, but we're trying for the low dish washing way. Okay. And you want to spread them out on the sheet pan a little bit like this so that they don't steam. If they're too close together, they'll steam rather than roast. So this is going to go right into the oven. And now we will do the kale. So we've got about 6 cups of kale here. This is curly kale. And kale, again, is very highly alkalizing. It's very high in fiber. It's also cruciferous, so it covers a lot of bases here. And we have, again, we've got some garlic, chopped garlic, also in the allium family. Antioxidant, immune protective, tons of benefits in garlic. Another tablespoon or so of olive oil. Just drizzle that on. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And we're going to mix this up. It's nice to just massage the kale a little bit so it softens up and makes it a little easier to roast that way. Okay. And this goes into the oven. So both of these pans sit in the oven for the same amount of time, about 15 minutes, and then we'll check them and we'll see how it goes. Both trays are out of the oven and it's time to plate. This is the black rice. This is beautiful rice. It's very nutty in flavor, and it's also known as forbidden rice, although it is no longer forbidden. In fact, it's pretty easy to find. And it is very high in fiber, antioxidants, and anthocyanins, which is what gives it its sort of purple color. And these are just great for the immune system and overall health. So we've got the rice. We're going to add the kale. Kale got a little crispy in the oven, which is really fun. I'm sure you've heard of kale chips, right? So it's similar to that. Very yummy. I'll put that on the side. And kale chips are going all over. And now we have the beautiful roasted vegetables. Colorful, autumn, delicious, lovely. Okay, put rice on here. Finish that off. Then to top it all off, we have this lovely lemon-tahini sauce, which I made in advance, but the recipe is included with the autumn vegetable recipe. And this just gets drizzled on top. Okay. And some sesame seeds, black and white sesame seeds. You can use one or either or both. And lunch is served. So this is a great dish because it uses a lot of different vegetables. You can use seasonal vegetables, and it's quick, it's easy, there's not a lot of cleanup, and also you can use it as a salad, a side dish, and also as a main if you include something like grilled tofu or wild-caught salmon or chicken or any protein of your liking.